Joe ENT.
King Joe ENT. We in this thing.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Good morning. Well, it's Saturday of celebrating Papa J's birthday. Also, Mom Papa J wedding anniversary. Yeah, wedding anniversary. So, what better way to celebrate these two grand occasions than by going fishing? Now, sadly, it's 38 degrees right now. We waiting until it get warmer around about 12 o'clock. Then we gonna boogie to the lake, catch some fish, fry some fish. What else? Eat some hot dogs, sausages, a whole bunch of stuff. It's gonna be a grand time, man. It's gonna pretty much be like a family reunion or something. So, need in the store, get some things, and I'm in the car warming up. Shoot, we'll be on that way soon, man. So y'all come on with us. Oh, there the camera. Come on with us. Fish with us and all that other stuff, man. I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can. And if not, then, forgive me. I'll be so busy eating and fishing. All right, man. We'll catch y'all, in later and stuff. So come on, join with us, okay? Wait, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, I'm over there in the platoon. I never got on it. I would love to get on it if it had a built-in toilet on it. But I did get on the speedboat though. Let me zoom out. I did get on that though. That was fun. That was fun. And nephew and pops-in-law over there. Yeah. Getting it ready. If I only had a bathroom on it. If I only had a toilet on it. We getting ready though. Getting ready. Nephew!
What?
That my other nephew, y'all. He was over there in the platoon. Want to say something to the people?
No, you gotta say nothing.
You ain't gotta say nothing.
I'm just gonna show y'all.
Just gonna show. Well, that sounds like a professional fisherman. Oh, look, got my other nephew. Want to say hey to the people?
What's up?
They going on. Shoot, they going on everywhere. YouTube, all that stuff.
Okay.
Hey, what's up? You want to say something to the people?
Hey,
To your fans?
subscribe to my YouTube.
Subscribe to the YouTube. Tell them.
YTZAM. YTZAMZ. YTZAMZ.
YTZAMZ.
Yeah.
What that's supposed to stand for something?
YTZAMZ.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, you like it all up.
That's my YouTube.
Subscribe to my nephew channel, man. He be doing the gaming and stuff and some other stuff. I don't know.
Playing GTA, going live and stuff.
GTA Live and all that.
Yep.
Y'all subscribe to my nephew for real though.
Yep.
Yeah, I be commenting on his stuff. I be watching. I be paying attention. Yeah. Finna go fishing. Got my niece bringing out the food too. My niece Giggles. You want to say hey to the people's Giggles?
What's going on, y'all? Get into the hair done by me.
That's right. Yeah, if you need your hair done, braid, freaking rotisserie fat.
I'm your girl.
Where can they reach you at? Where can they reach you
Y'all
at?
can reach me on Instagram at Maya's Beauty Work. Or
Uh-huh.
y'all can hit my phone 470-923-2103.
That's right.
If it ain't about no business, do not text me.
Don't text if it ain't about no business.
That one.
She said, I got to grow some more. She said, I got to get some more inches, y'all. Some more inches. So I said, all right, cool. I get it. Since she the experts, I'm ready to eat. All right. Told your ankle's gonna be white. They gonna need to bring in some more of the food. There she is. Do you want to say hi to the people?
And in the miracles.
She's silly. Well, I guess next time y'all see us, you know what I'm saying, do a little B-roll footage while we're on the road. So, get to the lake and stuff. So, yeah. We'll see y'all. We'll see y'all soon. All right. Here with the family. Finally made it. I was working, boy. We're gonna get to that later. I'm gonna try my luck with this stuff tonight.
Going all the way out.
It was every. You got any luck?
Some bites.
Some bites.
They don't want to take it. They scared.
I got a bite, but you know, like I said, my line wasn't tight, so you know.
They'll do like this one good time. They don't want to take it though.
See, I thought the chicken liver would do that. Yeah. As y'all can see, I went to the bait. You know what I'm saying? I went back to the worms. Yeah. Me and Papa J couldn't do the smell no more.
Oh, y'all trying to tag team.
We couldn't do the smell. You know what I'm saying? Got my other nephew down there. Water, you got a bite? Dang. Up. Papa J moving. Trying to hit him up, move him out. Looks like everybody finished eating now. Back to fishing part 2, round 2. So I'm on down there. I ain't catching nothing, so my next spot is gonna be over here. You see Nita and Bell down there already. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that gonna be my next spot that I go to, my second spot. But yeah, I didn't eat more than I anticipate, so I'm staying right here for a good little minute. Make sure I ain't gotta go to the bathroom. So one thing I hate is to go all the way down there, right? And then get comfortable, belly get the boiling, you know what I'm saying, bladder and all that other stuff. Get the, you know, filling up. They got to climb all the way up there. And the bathroom is really, you dig what I'm saying? So I'm gonna chill here a couple minutes, so just to make sure. Okay, we'll go back fishing. Uncle Joe believes in y'all. Y'all look like praise dancers before the offering. Look at him go! Look at him go! Look at him go! I picked a bad day to wear Crocs. Word to the wise. Don't wear Crocs on a fishing trip. Okay? These were not made for fishing trips.